Yeah, the stock limiter really doesn't sound so good. It's difficult to use it. However, if you use it, the ceiling in Ableton is 0.3. I would just put it at 0 because, yeah, um, commercial masters are 99 out of 100 commercial masters are not true peak limited and are way above 0 actually. So yeah, no need to stay under it. Good look ahead time, fast release, 5 ms, but not super fast because then it gets to distort. However, we're not going to use this in this session. We're going to use the Ozone 11 limiter because it's just so good. Here you can actually see what it does. Brings up the quiet sections by 1 dB. Look, that's the upwards compression. Really an amazing feature. Let me just A/B it so you can yeah, hear how it sounds before and after our fast mixing chain. I keep counting 1, 2, 3. Shut your mouth and dance with me. Move your body to the beat. We're grooving, grooving, baby. I keep counting 1, 2, 3. Shut your mouth and dance with me. Move your body to the beat. We're grooving, grooving, baby. Shut your mouth and dance with me. Move your. So this already shows like how good you can make a track sound if you just have a good setup on the master.